Welcome and a very good morning to everyone, respected principal, honorable teachers and my dear fellows. Today we are gathered here to celebrate one of the most important days in the history of our nation, 14th August, the Independence Day of Pakistan. Freedom is one of the greatest blessings of Allah. It is not something that we should take for granted. Our independence was achieved through the courage, determination and countless sacrifices of our ancestors. On 14th August 1947, Pakistan appeared on the map of the world as an independent country. It was the result of a long struggle and dreams of millions of Muslims of the subcontinent who wanted a homeland where they could live according to their values and beliefs. As we celebrate this special day, let us remember the great leader, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, whose vision, determination and leadership led Muslims of the subcontinent towards a separate homeland. We should also remember the efforts and sacrifices of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, whose dream of a separate homeland inspired the Muslims of the subcontinent. Along with the great leader, countless ordinary people also sacrificed their own belongings and comfort for the dream of Pakistan. There is a beautiful saying, freedom is the right of every nation and Pakistan is our pride and
Follow rules, help others, keep surroundings clean, and contribute positively to our country. We are the future of Pakistan. The Pakistan of tomorrow depends on what we learn and what we do today. If we become honest, hardworking, responsible, and united citizens, we can make our country stronger and more successful. Let us remember that small positive action can create big chances. A student who studies sincerely, a citizen who follows the law, and a person who helps others is also serving the nation. On this Independence Day, let us make a promise. We will work hard, we will stay united, we will protect its dignity, we will respect our country, and we will do our best to make Pakistan a better place. Let us always remember the golden words of Qaid-e-Azam. Unity, faith and discipline. May Allah bless our beloved country with peace, prosperity, strength and success. May Pakistan continue to shine and may we always be proud to call it our homeland. Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Paindabad.